Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have TOZO A3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the earbuds will not connect to Wi-Fi or to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if there is sound only coming out of the left ear or out of the right ear, or if they're not working in any way and you need to troubleshoot the problem, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. It will restore the factory default settings. But if you want to do that, we can go ahead and get started. The first thing to do is to go to whatever device that you paired them with and have those devices forget these earbuds. Once you do that, you can put the earbuds inside the case and leave the case open. And once they're in the case with the case open, you could come in and press this button on the bottom and press and hold it for 8 seconds. And you'll know that the earbuds are resetting when the light on the case blinks 5 times, at which point the reset is complete. You can go ahead and take your earbuds out of the case and re-pair them with whatever device you like as though they were new earbuds.